Sir Milton Margai, 1895 to 1964, was a Sierra Leonean political leader and the first Prime Minister and Chief Minister of Sierra Leone. Here is a brief biography of Sir Milton Margai. Early life. Milton Margai was born on December 7, 1895, in Bangabatok, British Sierra Leone, now Sierra Leone. He came from a prominent Creole family, and his father was a Christian minister. Education. Margai received his early education at the Church Missionary Society, CMS, grammar school in Freetown. He later pursued higher education in the United Kingdom, studying medicine at King's College London and qualifying as a medical doctor. Returned to Sierra Leone. After completing his studies, Margai returned to Sierra Leone and worked as a medical officer in Freetown. He became involved in local politics and community service. Political leadership. Milton Margai entered politics and was elected to the Legislative Council in 1947. He founded the Sierra Leone People's Party, SLPP, in 1951, becoming its leader and a key figure in the movement towards self-government. Path to independence. Margai played a crucial role in negotiations with British colonial authorities, advocating for Sierra Leone's self-government. In 1958, he became the country's chief minister and later, in 1961, the first prime minister as Sierra Leone gained independence. Leadership style. Sir Milton Margai was known for his calm and inclusive leadership style. He emphasized national unity and worked to bridge ethnic and regional divides in Sierra Leone. Development and infrastructure. During his tenure, Margai focused on development and infrastructure projects, including education and healthcare initiatives. He implemented policies aimed at fostering economic growth and stability. Death. Tragically, Sir Milton Margai passed away on April 28, 1964, while still in office. His death marked a significant loss for Sierra Leone, and his brother, Sir Albert Margai, succeeded him as Prime Minister. Legacy. Sir Milton Margai is remembered as the father of the nation in Sierra Leone. His legacy includes his role in leading Sierra Leone to independence and his contributions to nation-building and political stability. The Sir Milton Margai International Airport in Freetown and the University of Sierra Leone's College of Medicine and Allied Health Sciences are among the institutions named in his honor, reflecting his enduring impact on the country.